Jai Hind everyone. So myself, Dr. Anuradha Taluja. We have started a lecture series of social media marketing, and in the previous lecture, we have discussed a little bit introduction about the social media marketing. We came to know about the real life problem statement. In that problem statements, how the social media marketing is influencing, or we can say how it is increasing our business, our products, or they are providing the information as well as the product deliveries to the suitable people who are in a requirement for that. For example, we have discussed an example of specific cases for in and the era of the COVID-19. We are in need of a lot of the sanitizers, the masks, the oxygen cylinders, but due to the lack of the information, because of the lack of the information transmission, in fact, the people were not aware about where are these kinds of products are available at the time of the COVID-19. For example, the PPE kits, the masks, the sanitizers. So through the social media marketing, there are the number of channels present on the social media through which we can have the marketing of our products, and that we have discussed in detail in the previous lecture. And we have also started about a little bit about those platforms. We have discussed about the Facebook, we have discussed about the LinkedIn. So in today's lecture series, we will again discuss about some more statistics about the social media marketing. A brief review about again what is social media marketing. It is a form of an internet marketing that uses social media apps as a marketing tool. So definitely we have discussed it is a marketing tool. It's a tool with the help of which we can engage our customers. We can bring our customer on the platform who want those kinds of products, who wants those kinds of businesses, isn't it? The social media platforms enables brands to connect with their audience, to build a brand, increase sales. Build a brand, we have discussed. Build a brand means it doesn't mean that simply like a CCD is having certain symbol. It's a branding symbol, and putting simply a brand. For example, I'm standing in this in this recording hall, and I put a CCD logo on outside the recording my hall. I put a CCD machine. Is that a branding? Only on the behalf of the logo does the people come and drink the coffee? No, it is not at all sufficient. Simply CCD logo has been put on, or a Nescafe logo has been put on by doing the coloring changing or somewhat spelling change, and I put a coffee machine. The people will won't come on the behalf of this kind of logo or this kind of simply name nomenclature which has been declared, which is a brand already present in the market. Definitely, with the help of the brand, of course, we can grasp the customer, but definitely the hospitality part, you're very well aware about that thing. Whenever you're going to a coffee shop, for example, CCD, they're not calling you the people as a sir or a ma'am. They don't say hello sir, hello ma'am. They doesn't go. They simply call with your names. They'll just ask your name. They will say, hi, hey, hi, how are you, Sachin? Hey, how are you, Anuradha? Isn't it? They will call through the names for having the you can say the hospitality is so smooth and so smooth that the people get engaged, where people get more closer to those people, more closer to the brand, and definitely the coffee taste is also should be good. Plus the hospitality should be good. It's not only about simply creating the brand, isn't it? So definitely initial level we have to build a brand. For the building of the brand, we of course will increase the sales part. We will drive a traffic to a website. On whatever website we want that customer, we have to increase that traffic to the website. Simply saying that, they say, we have talked about the COVID-19 places. We know very well that during that time, everything was stoked, everything was blocked, and the number of people were visiting the social media sites. And the most common website it was used by the YouTube, or you can say social media platform is the YouTube or the Facebook. So these kinds of products, which has been huge in demand in the market, can simply be placed at advertisements on these kinds of platforms for capturing the customer requirements, isn't it? So build a community of followers to share and engage with the content. You have to share and engage the content with the only that community. We're talking about the healthcare sector, so we can deal with the healthcare sector for that specific social media platform. For example, we want to talk about the share market. We can move on to some other site where the share marketing people are moving in on that boarding on that platform, isn't it? Easily. Fine. So coming on to the statistics, we have discussed about the LinkedIn, we have discussed about the Facebook. This is the Instagram statistics. Instagram is one of the famous social media platform where the people used to post the pictures. They used to share the information on the Instagram. They used to share their stories on the Instagram. So statistics says that Instagram boosts 2 billion in fact actively monthly users, and yet brands are still scrambling to get more Instagram followers. 2 billion actively monthly users. So think about how much huge audience is on the board on the Instagram, and how easily we can use this platform for the social media marketing. So Instagram ties with the Facebook for social media platform with the highest ROI. ROI is your return on investment. Facebook have done the tie up with the Instagram, and because they know instead of Facebook, more people are switching to the Instagrams. More followers are going on to the Instagram. So they have done the tie up, and of course they have increased their ROI. 27.4% of US Instagram users are between the age group of 25 and 34-year-old, whereas 61.1% of total Instagram users worldwide are between the ages 18 to 34 and mostly identified as your male. On Instagrams, the male people are present, and of course, the age group is from 18 to 34. You can say it's a youth, isn't it? And youth people generally captures the products from the online marketing. Definitely, if I talk about the senior citizens, what they want, their mentality says that the product should be present in front of them. They want to look and feel about the product, and then they want to purchase that, isn't it? But the youth people, if they found instantly on the platform, they will not much more think about that, or they will say, okay, fine, the product will come, I'll check it, I'll see it. If it's okay, then I'll keep it with me, or I'll simply revert back again to the channel from where I had purchased that, isn't it? But of course the youth people more are frequent about purchasing, but senior citizens are not. And of course, if we talk about the age group which are very small, tiny dots, of course they will not move on to these kinds of booths. So Instagram statistics is very good platform for the social media marketing. Instagram Reels generates more likes and saves, but fewer comments than regular posts, isn't it? We used to get likes and saves. Of course, the time saving is we doesn't write the comments on any of the videos or any of the blogs. We used to see that if we like that video or that blog, we simply have the like, or we just save that video for the future purpose, or for saving for sharing in the future purpose. Instagram engagement rates are 4 times higher than the Facebook, which is 0.60% to 0.15%. But engagement has become more competitive each year. Very well know, if you want to utilize, not in fact utilize, if you want to you have free time and you want to capture that time, simply scrolling lots of videos will capture your time, and you never know, you're taking 1 hour or 2 hours and simply scrolling those videos of your interest, in fact, isn't it? So in 2023, 43% of the marketers plans to increase their investment in Instagram. It is only due to because it is getting more engagement rate. People are taking their phone, people are taking their tabs. In fact, on the desktops, of course, they have opened the Instagram. They very well know the Instagram itself, very well know with the help of the AI tool, with the help of the AI processes, that what kind of mentality people is thinking about, what kind of products it is in search of, what kind of videos she or he want to see. And on the behalf of that mentality, they are showing same kind of video. For example, if I'm listening to a Punjabi music, I'm listening to or I'm seeing a video of a Punjabi dance, isn't it? So they will definitely 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and multiple videos will come on the same scenario, on the same topic and domain. And yes, it will make me happy, and I will do this again and again repetitively for 2 hours, for 3 hours, or maybe for full day, of course. So that is why they are attracting the different people for putting the advertisement on the Instagrams, by which they get more sales in their business, isn't it? So once the go-to social platform for influencers, Instagram is facing competition with TikTok. Of course, TikTok is banned in the India, but yes, it is available in rest of the countries also. So there is a competition between the Instagram and the TikTok. So relatively high engagement rates, fresh e-commerce features, and big ad spending signal that the future is still bright for the Instagram. Of course, more and more e-commerce people are coming. They are putting more and more advertisements on the Instagram, and definitely Instagram is growing more and more day by day, enhancing itself, improving itself, and they are making itself the platform like by which more customers, more people get attached with the Instagram family. So that is simply showing the statistics, of course, for the social media platforms offer marketers the highest ROI. That is the top 6 if I talk about. So definitely Facebook is on the hike. Next is your Instagram, then is your YouTube, then TikTok, then Twitter, which is nowadays is X, and then it is your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is, of course, it's an official site where it generally doesn't use to store the post of the personal information, or they are not sharing their post. They are roaming here and there like that. They only deal with the professional part. So that is why LinkedIn is already only used by the people who are working people. So LinkedIn, what is LinkedIn? It has done a brilliant job of carving out its niche as to go to a professional network. There are a number of platforms which are social platform present, which deals with everything. You can post everything like cooking, dancing, whatever hobbies you are in dealing with. You can get complete information, more and more videos and blogs on definitely the platforms which I had defined in my previous slides. But yes, if I talk about the LinkedIn, it is only dealing with the professional work. Fine. So platform is a potential gold mine for B2B brands, that is their business to business brand, and the rapid growth of their platform speaks for itself, isn't it? LinkedIn is, if I want, for example, I'm a CSC person, I'm working on certain projects, and I want to know on what projects more people are been working. So I can search that domain specifically. I can identify those people who are working on the same domain on which I'm working, isn't it? And I can easily have the connectivity with that person. I can have the easily shareable of that information from that person, and of course get the inputs from that person regarding my project, isn't it? So you can share your ideas, you can share your views also, you can have the interaction also with those people, and many more on the LinkedIn. So there are more than 1 billion members across 200 countries on the LinkedIn. So think about it. It's again a very, very huge amount, a professional amount of people, 1 billion members who are the LinkedIn family part. The US has the highest user rate in the world on LinkedIn, with an audience reach of over 214 million users. So again, it's a very, very huge amount. Of course, in the US, there are over 67 million companies profiles on the LinkedIn. 67 million company profiles are present on the LinkedIn. So you can easily have the information regarding your company in which you want to work, the people who are working on those company, the certain information regarding the jobs, regarding you want to attend certain seminars, you want to attend certain conferences, or anything professionally what you want in a proper channel, in a proper way, and of course it's an authentic data also, which you can rely and trust and have the sharing of the information easily on that platform. Further saying that 60% of the worldwide users are between ages 25 to 34 years old. Of course, they're talking about the Instagram part. Of course, they are dealing with from 18 to 34. Now, more smarter version is there, 25 and not, of course, not and it's from 25 to 34 years old. People are more and more adopting this platform, far exceeding any other age group. Spurred by the widespread career changes over the past 2 years, the platform does not look to slow down anytime soon. Of course, it is growing day by day, day by day. It is enhancing itself day by day. It is adding more and more people, and they're adding, of course, very good people and companies on their onboard platform, by which they give the benefits to the people who are in the same domain. They can give the more information pass on to the people who are in the domain, and definitely more and more about that. Next is the Pinterest statistics. It is, of course, again one more social media platform. It does not get it due when it comes to a social platforms. The platform diverse big spending audience is among the most dedicated and engaged of any network. Of course, Pinterest is basically more and more used by the females, by the females, of course, because they are having the advertisement, the creativity, the look and feel is more comfortable, and of course that is why females are preferring more Pinterest as comparison to rest of the social media platforms. So it's mentioned here 482 million people use Pinterest every month. 76.2% of the Pinterest users are women, and 17.2% are men. And of course, 6.6 are the people who are unspecified. So I had already mentioned that a huge amount of females are on Pinterest, because of course it's regarding the look and feel. If I say, you can say the topics, the domains they're covering are more close relation to the females, and many more points to be added on this the scenario. Of course, in December 2023 alone, nearly 1.2 billion visits were measured to Pinterest.com from desktop as well as on mobile. So think about 1.2 billion visits on the Pinterest, isn't it? It's again a huge amount for that. If you're searching for any of the topic on the Google, you can simply see that. For example, I'm searching for about the Lodi function, the Lodi I'm searching, or any Bhangra dance, isn't it? So you will put on a Google, and definitely certain pictures regarding will come on the Pinterest social media platform also. Some more sites will be also shown, but definitely Pinterest is also on some certain hike, which will show certain pictures of that specific domain, and you can and again saying it's a look and feel is so beautiful that the people get attached towards that, and they used to move on, dig in that, get in that, and take more information from that platform easily. 76.2 of the worldwide Pinterest users, of course, I declared it identifies as a female. Pinterest is the third most visited social media website in the US, whereas 80% of the weekly users has found a new brand or a product on the platform. So the power of the Pinterest advertising is well documented, and the platform is a perfect place to uncover new products. If you are dealing with a products which are more closer to the females, like the household products, or any kind of products which you to think that the females will be more comfortable for purchasing for that kind of products. So definitely Pinterest is a very good platform for that, for any business which is correlation to the female, any product which is correlation to the female, all those kind of products you can easily put onto the Pinterest platform, and definitely your sales will get higher and higher. And again saying, in the previous lecture also I had said that don't think that on the first advertisement you will get certain orders, or you'll get more likes by the people. Maybe possible on the Pinterest you will not get a certain amount of people. Try to switch the platforms, try to switch the thinking of what you want using. Maybe you are simply mentioning for, I'm talking about a simple advertisement, maybe possible you are putting some simple advertisement of a written content. The people are not get more influence to that kind of written content, isn't it? They will more get captured by the images. It's a human tendency, of course. The human tendency says that they are more moving towards the images, towards the colorful images. Colors images used to attract by the people, isn't it? If you're talking about images, yes, more people get captured by the videos, with the small short videos, isn't it? They want to know the outcome of that video, isn't it? So don't think that by simply putting an advertisement on the Pinterest or on a Facebook or on an Instagram, your product will get simply hike and your sales will get simply hike. No, just start doing more and more. You can say testing on different platforms. Don't feel on a first phase that of course I had done the social media marketing and my product is not working it out, or my business is not working it out. Don't feel like that. Feel comfortable. Try to switch from the platforms, try to switch from the strategy which you are planning for your marketing part, and then of course after switching, after planning it and changing the way of working, definitely you will get a hike in your business or in your product sales, of course. TikTok statistics, of course, again saying TikTok is not in India, but yes, we should know what are the statistics for that also. TikTok has totally transformed itself to a must-have digital platform for brands. The platform rapid fan base, rapid growth, and sky-high usage spell great news for early adopters. A small kid, in fact, can use a TikTok. TikTok videos were very much famous on that time. TikTok is expected to reach over 2 billion users in 2024. Not about India. TikTok is the most frequently used app worldwide, with Android phone users spending an average of 34 hours per month on the platform. So again, it's a huge wastage of time if I say that over that thing. Scrolling the videos, putting the videos, and just wasting the time on that. 34 hours per month is a huge time. But of course, if it's a productive time, if you are using that time in an informative video, in an informative we can say blogs or anything, then that will be helpful you out, isn't it? TikTok user base skews female, with 48% of the users identifying as women. 36.7% of TikTok users are 18 to 24 years old, account for that the largest share of TikTok advertising audience. TikTok is the second most used video entertainment app by the monthly active users. So again, TikTok is again a huge social media platform where you can use for the advertisement. But again, saying TikTok is banned in India, so we cannot use it in India. But just for the information purpose, we are also sharing the statistics of the TikTok. Now the Twitter statistics. Now it is called your X. X, which is formerly a Twitter, has cemented itself as a hub of political discussions, memes, and prime place to go back and forth with the brands. Twitter, of course, is not as comparison to comfortable with the Facebook or an Instagram platform, but yes, political background. If you're talking about some of course, some changes to be done, that can be done by the X itself. So X boasts about 619 million monthly active users in total world. So again, that's a huge amount of users which are connected with the Twitter. 53% of the X users use the platform to get the latest news. If you're not reading the newspaper in the early morning, you can switch to the Twitter, you can switch to the X, and you can have the latest information, latest news from the Twitter itself. More than half, 63% of the X users are men based on available gender data. Of course, the male people are more influenced to the political part to know to get having the information about the news, the latest news, what is happening in our country. So male people are more formally towards the Twitter itself. 33% of the users plan to spend less times on X in 2024 because it's my thinking about that thing is the X is not having the feel and look much more comfortable platform for feel and use. It is getting more and more complex. They're not working on the requirement of the today's customer. US adults spend an average of 34.1 minutes daily on X. So it's a huge time for spending on the X itself. YouTube, of course, you all are aware about the YouTube. हमें कुछ नहीं पता. We are switching to the YouTube itself. मुझे कोई topic नहीं पता, मुझे कोई point नहीं पता, मुझे कोई नई term coin पता चली मुझे. Simply, you go to the YouTube or to the Google or to the YouTube for the videos watching. So definitely, each and every connectivity is done to the YouTube itself. Okay. So to compete with the emerging platforms like TikTok, the second largest search engine in the world is making some big changes in that itself. As of January 2023, YouTube has nearly 2.5 billion users worldwide. YouTube Shorts has 2 billion monthly active users. The scenario says that the monthly active users are 2 billion because it's all due to that. Nowadays, the people what want is they want more information but in little time. So they are watching more and more shorts. More and more shorts watching, more and more information they're getting. They don't want to visualize the large videos. So that is why the monthly active users for the shorts is getting increased day by day. It is the change set of the mentality of the humans nowadays. YouTube biggest gender segments are male, aged between 25 to 34, and males aged between 35 to 44, 9.6% based on the available gender data. YouTube user spends an average of 28 hours, 5 minutes on the Android app each month. So again, it's a huge time limit which is spending by the customers, spending by the people on that board. Nearly 90% of all the visits to YouTube come from mobile devices. Of course, because nowadays the mobility is the mobile itself. Everywhere you are sitting, anywhere you are sitting, you can use simply the mobile. You can scroll down the videos, you can watch the videos, you can get certain information about whatever you are in need of on that time, of course. Despite the platforms in the market, YouTube is still users go to video sharing and video consumption platforms. With more people accessing the app on mobile, marketers would benefit from posting more short form vertical content on the platform. So of course, from the big videos, we are switching to the short videos for giving the benefits to the customers. Social media video statistics says that the videos continues to be an all-time favorite content type. It's versatile, engaging, and offers excellent ROI to the marketers worldwide. 44% of the people prefer to learn about a new product or service via short video content. Shortcut use करना चाहते हैं, हर कोई short video पे shift होना चाहता है. 87% of the marketers say video marketing has directly increased the sales, isn't it? आजकल in fact ये भी होता है, आप लोग कहीं जाते हैं, you are roaming somewhere else, simply clicking the pics and posting in that. Instead of that, if you're recording a video of that place, people are watching more instead of the pictures, isn't it? So attraction is more towards the videos nowadays. Short form video offers marketers the highest ROI of any social media marketing strategy with 30 to 60 videos seeing the most success. US video advertising is expected to increase from $76.97 billion in 2023 to $84.61 billion in 2024. Again, a huge hike on the video part. Video is making its way in all types of marketing strategies in virtually every industry. However, it's evolving in its shape and form. Brands can expect to see better results from short form video content that primarily entertaining and are funny. So that is showing our statistics for that. The people who are visualizing more on that the webinar part is there, the sales call is there, read article is there, view infographic is there, read manual is there, and watch a video is there. Of course, watch a video is having a highest ratio, 44%. 16% is for the read manual, views infographic is 15%, read article is 13%, sales calls and webinar is lesser part. Influencer marketing, you know very well, but what about the influencer? Who is the influencer from which the people get influenced? For example, you have seen a very famous advertisement of the Bikaner or the Bikano. The Amitabh Bachchan is present and he is doing the advertisement of the Bikano. Huge people are the fan of the Amitabh Bachchan, isn't it? So only there are a number of people who are present that the Amitabh Bachchan is eating the Bikano namkeen, so I will also eat the Bikano namkeen. So people get influenced from that person, and of course the sales get increased due to that influencer. So the statistics says that working with influencer is one of the most inbound marketing strategy being used today. 50.1% of marketers believe TikTok offers the highest ROI to influencer marketers for short form video content, followed by 29.9% of marketers saying Instagram Reels and 12% says YouTube Shorts. TikTok is not now present in India, so of course, talking about the India part, more and more moving on to the YouTube part or on the Instagram. Instagram is nowadays a very, very familiar to each and every person present. 69% of the marketers use TikTok for influencer marketing, making it most popular influencer marketing channel, generating more engagement, reaching new audiences and strengthening community are the top 3 marketing goals for working their creators. So these are the top 3 pillars you can say for the new audience, for the strengthening the audience, more capturing the people through these apps or these social media marketing platforms. 60% of the marketers plan to spend more on influencer marketing campaigns in 2024. 63% of the marketers plan to use an AI in launching their influencer campaigns, and 55% of these brands will use AI for identifying the influencer. So that is again one more statistics representing how much people are bringing influencer for attracting those people for selling more products or for the promotion of their businesses. More marketers are realizing the potential of influencer marketing. If influencers are not already part of your marketing effort, it's time to switch your focus because more people are getting attracted towards the influencer. I'll give you a small example for that part. There are a number of content marketer presents who what they are doing is that they are reading out the minds that what kind of people are present and what kind of those people are influenced by which people. Simply talking about that, I had listened to an interview of a person, and he was a content writer person, and he told that he had prepared a perfume which is the name of the Kings. King is a person who is a famous person in the US, and they want to build a brand of the perfume with the name resembling the Kings. So they've used the word King. They have done a 50-50% partnership by using the name, by branding it. Of course, that using for the advertisement and influencer has been used for on board for that. And of course, the profit was amount of a double amount in the perfume industry, isn't it? I'll give you one more example for that. I do think I discussed in the previous lecture also. A simple coconut water, which is cost around 20 to 30 rupees per bottle. And there was a company, I didn't remember the name of that company, of course. They've used an influencer. They've used the name of that influencer. That simply done the labeling of that influencer. They have done the advertisement by that influencer, and that 30 rupees bottle liquid content, the coconut milk which was present in that bottle, it was sold out at rupees 80 or 90 rupees in the market. only simply adding the influencer tag, the influencer person in that business, by advertising that coconut water by that influencer, the people get affected, of course, and the people get more and more. Instead of simple coconut water, they switch to that coconut water, isn't it? So see how simple the market, of course simple market, but it's a smart market. You have to attract that smart market people. You have to identify the smart people who want to identify the customers for that part, isn't it? So at the end I would like to say it, so it's a time to switch your focus. There is a pick to have the best platforms and influencer for your brand, both of which can be automated using the right tools. So it's a time to switch to your business, to the influencer side, to attract the people more towards the towards your business, towards your product you want to get on the sale on that. Fine. Thank you so much. In the next lecture series we will discuss about the pillars of the SMM. Thank you so much.